Good morning, children. In the last class, we already discussed about the phases of the brick, isn't it? What is a brick? What is a brick? And how many faces have a brick? How many edges have a brick? How many corners? Isn't it? And what is the shape of the faces of the brick? And what is the shape of that brick? Then we already learned, isn't it? Yes. Once more I am showing the brick, children. All of you listen here. This brick has brick is in rectangular shape. This is in rectangular shape. What is rectangular shape means? What is the shape of rectangle, children? Rectangle means both sides are equal shape. If an object that is in both sides of the object is in equal shape, here this is a brick, and for this brick both sides are equal. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. Such type of object we can call it as rectangle. That shape we can call it as rectangular shape. So if both sides are equal, then that is rectangular shape. Yes, this one is the rectangle. This one is the rectangle. If these both sides are equal, both sides are, and these both sides are equal. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. These two sides are smallest sides. These two sides are smallest and these two sides are biggest one. So this shape is called as rectangle, and so we can tell it this brick is in rectangular shape. This one is in rectangular shape. All faces are in rectangular shape. But we can see, look, this side is also a rectangular shape because this side, look here, this side is in 10 centimeter and this side not same, this side is 7 centimeter. So this one side is 10 or 11 centimeter and one side is 7 centimeter. So this one is in rectangular shape. This one is in rectangular shape. The rectangular shape means if both sides are equal, then that shape we can call it as rectangle. And the smallest side of the brick also, that is in rectangular shape. And next one we can take the, I am going to take the different floor pattern. Different floor pattern. This one is the one type of floor pattern. This one is the one type of floor pattern that we can easily draw. Then we can draw one square. Square means all sides are equal square. And we can draw like 3 like this, 3 like this and 3 like this, and you can draw such type of brick pattern and take it here. The story of the Jagrati school, when they are building being made, they want to plan to brick patterns on the floor walls. So they seek so many photos of the old buildings to know the shape or design of the brick patterns. So here give thousands beautiful brick patterns that is already made before 300 years ago, that already made. And here 5 pictures already given. 1, 2, 3 pictures already given here also. And these are the olden type of the brick pattern. Olden brick pattern. How arranged, we can see how arranged the bricks in these pictures. Look at children. First one. In the first picture, the bricks are arranged in a square shape. Here, this one is in the square shape, and second one is in the diamond shape, and third one that also in the square shape, that also arranged in a square shape, and fourth one that is arranged in the square shape and in between that is in the cross way. That is in the cross way. The bricks are arranged on that way. The square type, inside of that is arranged in the cross way. And last picture, that is in the shape of arc. That is in the shape of arc. These are the 5 pictures. Which floor pattern do you like the most? In these 5 pictures, which one do you like most? That you can write it here. And next one, have you seen such patterns anywhere? Have you seen such pictures or patterns anywhere? You can see that in the olden temple and mosque you can see this type of patterns. Okay. And next one, next some new patterns, floor patterns already given here. New floor patterns already given here. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 floor patterns, new patterns that already given here. These are the olden patterns and these are the new patterns. So what are the new patterns? Yes, in this, all of you look to the how arranged the bricks. How arranged this brick and how is this brick pattern. And in this first question, which pattern is made in a circle? Which pattern is made in a circle? Here square, square. This one is another slanting way. The bricks are arranged in a slanting way, and this one is straight way, and this one another way, and so many. In this, which one is in the circle shape? Yes, you can see this one J is in circle shape. Look here, J is in circle shape. And next question, in which pattern can you show mirror house? Draw a line. Which one is in mirror house? Mirror house means if the both sides are equal, if the both sides are left and right sides are equal, that we can call it as mirror house. If you draw a line in between the picture, if you draw a line, this one is the first floor pattern. A is the first floor pattern. In this, if you draw a line in between these two or in the center of this, if you draw a line, if the both side of that line, if the both side of that line is equal or same, that is mirror house. That is mirror house. If the picture is in mirror house, then if the both sides are equal, if you can take faces. Faces means if you draw a line in between this, then these both sides are equal. Both sides of the face are equal or same, then we can call it as mirror house. We can call it as mirror house. Then question is, in which pattern can you show mirror house? Draw a line. You can look here, children. First picture, that is mirror house. Yes, these sides and both sides are equal. If the both sides are equal, both sides are same, then you can draw a line there in between, in the center of that. Okay. And next one also, if you look into the row, then you can understand that also mirror out. And next one, that is not in mirror out. This one also not in mirror out. This one, that is not mirror out. The both sides are not equal. And here E, that also, that is not a mirror out. That is not a mirror out. And this one F, that is also a mirror out. Then these both sides are equal. And here that is not a mirror out. And H also, that is also mirror out. Both sides are equal. Same way, that is arranged this side and this side. The bricks are arranged in same way. That is same order. So we can, this also mirror out. Then this one is not in the way. Here and here, that is not equal. And this one J also in mirror house. J also in mirror house, that is not. So you can put a tick mark there. Which are the, in which pattern can you show mirror house? Draw a line. So you can draw a line in between of this picture. And second one also. And next E also, not E, F. F, H, J. Okay. And third question, now you draw some new floor patterns. Now new floor pattern you have to draw, that you can draw in your assignment time, a new floor pattern, 2 new floor pattern that you can draw it, children. And next one is how to draw a brick. How to draw a brick. That you know how is drawing the brick, isn't it? That we already learned in the last class. How is drawing a brick. Then you can draw like this and draw like this can draw like this. First you draw the upper part of one face of this, and this one is the another face, and this one is another face. In this brick you can show three faces of the brick. You can show the three faces of the brick. Look at children, three faces of the brick. One is this face, one face, two face, three face. Three faces of this brick you can see. Okay, then how is drawing? First you draw like this, and next, okay, this one is drawing the brick. And in one you can see, in one photo we can see only two photos already given here. These two photos are the same brick. Photos are the same brick, and here in one photo we can see only one face of the brick. In the other we can see three faces. In the other we can see three faces. Circle the photo showing three faces. Which one is showing three faces? Here you can see three faces of a brick, and here two bricks. These two bricks are the same one, and in this picture you can see three faces of the brick. 1, 2, 3. These two faces, and this smallest face also you can see. So 1, 2, 3. And this one is the only one face you can see here. Then they are telling circle the photo showing three faces. So you can circle this photo. Okay. And how many faces in all does a brick have? How many faces of a brick, children? How many faces have a brick? A brick has 6 faces. Brick has 6 faces. Okay. And is any face a square? Is any face square? No. All faces are in rectangular shape. All faces are in rectangular face. Then draw the smallest face of the brick that you can take next class. So I will give you homework. Okay, now you have to draw this one. Okay. You have to write this. All faces of a brick are in rectangular shape. All faces of a brick are in rectangular face. Rectangular means both opposite sides are equal. That is rectangular shape. And you write this. After that you can write a different floor pattern and draw that picture also. That picture you can draw it. And homework. Draw 2 new floor pattern. First, before doing this homework, you can try different floor pattern, and you see already you saw that floor pattern in the board, isn't it? That you have to draw it. After that, you write it homework. Draw 2 new floor pattern. That you have to do it in your assignment time. That already given. That is now, isn't it? So that you have to do it now. 2 new floor pattern, and you have to study. Second, study about brick. That is edges, how many edges, how many corners, how many faces, and what is the shape of the brick. Edges, corners. Study about brick. Edges, corners, faces. How many faces, how many edges, how many corners, and what is the shape of that, and shape of brick. Yes, okay children, this you want to study for next class. Okay, bye.